Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete an Xbox account. First, navigate to your computer or mobile device and open your preferred web browser. Then, you will sign into your associated Microsoft account, which manages your Xbox profile. Ensure you have your login information ready, as this is the primary gateway to your account settings. This initial step is fundamental for a smooth and secure process. Before proceeding, it is vital to back up any cherished game saves or important media you wish to retain, perhaps on an external hard drive or cloud storage. Also, remember to unlink any third-party services, active subscriptions, or family accounts that are currently tied to your Xbox profile. Once the account is gone, access to these linked items may also be affected, so prepare diligently. Once logged into your Microsoft account, navigate to Your Info section, which you can usually find in the top navigation bar. Look for the Close Your Account option, often under Security Settings, and carefully follow the instructions. You will likely need to verify your identity through email or phone, confirming your ownership of the account. Review all warnings presented, understanding the finality of this action. After initiating the closure, your account enters a 60-day waiting period. During this time, the account is marked for deletion but not yet permanently removed, offering you a window to reconsider. If you log back in within these 60 days, the deletion process will be canceled and your account will be fully restored. After this period, however, all your data, purchases, and progress will be permanently lost, completely irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.